Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for a super fun game of Can You Guess the Animal? Let's go. Round 1. I have a long neck. I eat leaves from tall trees. And I'm covered in spots. What animal could I be? Ding! Yes, I'm a giraffe, tall and spotted. Round 2. I say meow. I love to chase mice. And I purr when I'm happy. What animal am I? That's right, I'm a cat. Round 3. I'm big and gray. I have a long trunk, and I love splashing in water. Ding! Good job, I'm an elephant. Round 4. I love to hop. I live in ponds, and I say ribbit, ribbit. Ding! Yes, I'm a frog. Round 5. I swing in trees, I love bananas, and I'm really good at climbing. Jungle sounds with rustling leaves. Right again. I'm a monkey. You did an amazing job guessing the animals. Which one was your favorite? Let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!